a dress, again a short dress, my night dress because I would not change out of it because it's a lazy Sunday afternoon. When in doubt, I wear my jeans and a t-shirt. My satin night dress. The base that I use before applying makeup and of Benefit, and it protects the skin, it protects, help the makeup stick. So I would not apply makeup without applying that. So Benefit, there it goes. It's MAC and Benefit. Yeah, it is the lipstick and mascara and little, like, what do you call, a pre-makeup, this thing. I don't even use the proper makeup before going out so that my skin does not get burnt from the sun. I apply it as a sunscreen cum skin protector, lipstick and mascara. Actually both, depending on the day. 70. 15. Jeans I keep throwing away because if I do not like them, if I have not used them for some time, I reject them. As of now, I have around 10. 25. Yeah, black and blue and white, 3. Rings. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings, but then because of my boxing, I have just removed them because otherwise it really hurts inside the boxing gloves. Watches, 5, 6, because I'm not fond of watches because watches looks very ugly on my wrist because my wrist is too thin, and any watch, the nicer looking watches, they look big and they look like bangles on my wrist. So 5, and because usme I think 2 were gifted and 3, I don't know where did it come from. 10. I don't use deos, but perfumes, yes, 10. Bag. Yeah, it's my Louis Vuitton clutch that I picked up a few days back from Dubai, and I think it is around 4.5 to 5. Yeah, that is also another Louis Vuitton bag that I bought, but I never used till now because I'm still waiting for the right time to use that. My short hair. No, I think I'm a impromptu shopper because the days that I go to shop thinking that I will shop, I don't end up shopping because I don't know, I don't see anything. And if I'm just passing by and I see something, I would just pick that up, and those days are the best products that I picked up on as far as shopping is concerned. So I think I'm a spontaneous shopper than a compulsive shopper. Not really, but then I do not mind having a few brands because those were also spontaneous shoppings for me. From the streets of Mumbai, I think 3 years back we went to Bandra to the Linking Road to do some street shopping, and but I don't think I enjoyed that because there was too much of sun and too much of pollution, too much of walking, no car parking, hunting for the car. It was too messed up. So I think shopping in the mall is better for me. No, not really. It is a necessity. Get to know me more only on the Brunette Diaries. I'm an early bird as well as a night owl. Depending on the situation, if I'm shooting, I can really wake up early, 6 o'clock.